Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting originals and ensuring nothing is lost. Export full resolution HEIC, RAW, or JPEG files from your Android into a single folder. Once done, include XMP sidecars for edited RAWs so edits transfer. Make sure Google Photos is up to date and sign into the same account on the iPhone, or prepare a computer to copy files via Finder/Photos. This reduces quality loss and preserves metadata. Proceed only when originals and sidecars are verified. Next, transfer your files to the iPhone. Use Google Photos Sync for cloud transfers, or copy via Finder/USB for exact files. If needed use, send anywhere for large batches. Once on the iPhone, import into the Photos app or Lightroom Mobile and choose to keep originals rather than duplicates. Then install Lightroom or Snapseed presets you used on Android and calibrate white balance and camera profiles to match. This step ensures consistent color and tone between platforms and reduces rework later. Finish by applying final adjustments in Lightroom Mobile or the iPhone Photos editor, then export at your needed resolution and format. Choose HEIC for storage efficiency or JPEG for compatibility. Once done, organize edited images into albums and enable iCloud Photos to sync across devices. If something goes wrong, check metadata and sidecar files, reconvert HEIC or RAW if colors shift, and re-import. If edits disappear, reinstall the app, resync the cloud library, and verify the original files remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.